Hello, class, and welcome to another video lesson. Today, we're going through another topic in combined science biology, and this is topic 6, and we're going to talk about respiration. Right, so first, I need to explain why is respiration important. Number one, all living organisms need energy to stay alive. We need energy to grow, to move, to reproduce, and to excrete. Where do we get the energy? We get it from food. However, the energy in food is still stored inside the food, and the energy needs to be released. So, in cells, the food is broken down to release energy. This process is called respiration. So, respiration is basically a process where energy is released from the breakdown of glucose that takes place in every living cells. So, in food, we have this substance called glucose. So, glucose is a type of sugar, and in the cells will break down the glucose in order to release energy. So just remember, respiration is basically the process where we change glucose into energy. There are two types of respiration. There's aerobic respiration, which is the first one here, and then there's anaerobic respiration. Today we're going to talk about aerobic respiration, and then on Saturday we're going to talk about anaerobic respiration, which is the other one. So aerobic, you see the word aero. So aero means with air. So this type of respiration needs oxygen, which we get from the air, for it to happen, for it to occur. So this is called aerobic respiration. So what does the oxygen do? The oxygen combines with the food in the cells to release energy. So we need oxygen and food in order to release energy from the food. Without oxygen, we cannot release a lot of energy. So aerobic respiration is just using oxygen to release energy from food. Okay, so it's still the same thing. We're releasing energy from food, but aerobic respiration, we are using oxygen specifically. Most animals and plants respire, so they do respiration and aerobically. So aerobic respiration is the most common type of respiration for us humans, for animals, and also for plants. The word equation for aerobic respiration is, so what's happening, what's the process of aerobic respiration? So we have here glucose which is from food, combining from the oxygen from the air that we breathe in to produce carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide we breathe out, so it's a waste product. And then to produce water, and this water we store in the body, and most important, energy is produced. So here you have glucose, this is oxygen, this is carbon dioxide, this is H2O, which is water, and then you have energies. Okay? So, number six, in humans and animals, some energy is released as heat energy. So, the energy that is being released through this process of respiration, some of it we use to keep ourselves alive, some of it is released outside as heat energy, and this is where we get our body heat. Okay, so respiration again happens in all of our cells in the body. So it happens everywhere in the body. So this is the process again. So oxygen comes into the cell. We also get glucose, which is broken down from food, and this comes from our ileum. Do you remember what the ileum is? So the ileum is a part of the small intestine. So these two will be combined in the cell, will be processed in the cell to release or to produce carbon dioxide, energy, and water. Now, carbon dioxide we is a waste product. We don't need it in our body, so we release carbon dioxide to our lungs and then to the air. So it's a waste product. Energy, of course, we need it. So this energy we use for to grow, to move, to do other things. And then water we store to our lungs, to our kidneys, and a lot of different places. Okay. And that's pretty much it for this video lesson. So the second part, which we will go through the next lesson, we're gonna look at anaerobic respiration, which is the second type of respiration.